Storm Team 29 forecast.
Another beautiful winter day, abundant sunshine, blue skies. How about this nice shot from Chris Scott in Albemarle County? This is the Beaver Creek Reservoir Park, and certainly a gorgeous day to be outdoors. Let's talk about what happened 14 years ago, wrapping up a two-day snowstorm that walloped the Mid-Atlantic. This was February 5th and 6th, 2010. Big nor'easter. Many areas of the shaded blue area across our region had a foot and a half of snow. And then across northern Virginia, back into the panhandle of West Virginia, southern Pennsylvania, 2 to 3 feet of snow was quite common. That was 14 years ago on this date with a big nor'easter. Nothing like that today. Made up to a high of 49, pretty spot on in terms of an average temperature for February the 6th. And here we are after 6 o'clock, and you can still see some light in the distant southwest sky. Winds have generally been out of the northeast. The air mass is exceptionally dry. It will certainly be a cold overnight. Already 36 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 44 for high today. You can see most of us right now are already in the mid to upper 30s with few exceptions, and those numbers will settle well into the 20s here tonight. Lots of middle 20s across central Virginia, some lower 20s in the Shenandoah Valley. Sheltered locations could easily see some upper teens by early Wednesday morning. Now, high temperatures here for Wednesday with more sunshine. Most of us in the low 50s, upper 40s to near 50 in the Shenandoah Valley. As we move into Thursday, temperatures will come up a bit more. How about some mid to upper 50s with partly sunny skies? More clouds gather Friday, but temperatures climb into the lower 60s across the region. Things are quiet as we look at the setup. We have high pressure to our north. We have a storm center well to our south, and the flow of wind around those two weather features bringing in a northeasterly wind. So along the coast, it's higher than normal tides and even coastal some flooding because of this storm and the high to the north. But the big story across the country has been the storm out west, and this is still bringing rain to Los Angeles, the third wettest two-day period in their history of weather records. Desert Southwest receiving the rain. You can see the snow in the higher elevations of the Rockies. A lot of this moisture is going to get wrung out across the Rockies and across the upper Midwest, and the weak front will be working through here later on Friday. There is no Arctic air across the lower 48s, Pacific origin in terms of the air mass. Temperatures here in the morning start well down in the 20s, so a cold start, abundant sunshine, a beautiful afternoon, lower 50s. We're still in the 20s to start early Thursday morning. We'll have a little bit more cloud cover gather on Thursday. That's the leading edge of some milder air, and the winds will shift more out of the southwest, so mid to upper 50s. Late Friday night into Saturday morning could be a few showers, but the next big opportunity for any rain looks to arrive on Monday. Temperatures during this time will be in the upper 40s and low 50s, and as this storm departs, there'll be some colder air on the backside. Not that we'll see snow or any of that yet, but we'll watch it. But in the meantime, chillier air should arrive as we move into next week. Temperatures tonight in the cold 20s across the region. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures on the uptick here as we go through the mid and late week. Some 60s here on the horizon. Small rain chance Friday night, Saturday morning. Better opportunity, as I mentioned, on Monday of next week.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.